he is giving his icebreaker today. So when I asked him this question, that what was the cheesiest line that you have used or someone has used on you, he said that in the current pandemic situation, the entire family has just one line, that school kab khulega. But on a romantic ground, whenever his wife looks at the mirror and says that she's looking a little fat, he always consoles her by saying that महबूब बाहों में मेरी कब ऐसे मैंने सोचा था, हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसे हो जैसे मैंने सोचा था. I bunked my class today and I used the same line on my professor. Didn't work. Don't try it on anybody else. That is my advice. But if you're married, you can always use it on your wife. So before I welcome him to stage, I would like to invite his evaluator, Toastmaster Mukund Bogna, to please read out the rules of the criteria of evaluating him. Over to you.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. The purpose of this project is for the member to introduce himself or herself to the club and learn the basic structure of a public speech. Timer, please note the time duration is 4 to 6 minutes. Best of luck to Toastmaster Gopal.
Hello, am I audible and visible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Clear? No breakage of the sound? Clear? The sound is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so
Sir, just 1 second. I'll just introduce you and then you can start. So now we have Toastmaster Gopal. His speech title is Age No Bar. His mentor is Rajat Ray, Toastmaster Rajat Ray. So Age No Bar, Toastmaster Gopal. Toastmaster Gopal, Age No Bar.
hello, what are you doing? You are a kid. Hello, what are you doing? You are not a kid. We all have grown up hearing these type of sentences whenever we have tried to learn a new thing. We are always judged by our age. You know, in an interview for the job, the interviewer, the first thing he look into your resume is your date of birth. And accordingly, he or she makes the first impression whether you are suitable for the job or not. Dear fellow Toastmasters, do you think it is the right criteria? Should our capability be judged by our age? Famous author C.S. Lewis has said, you are never too young or too old to set up a new dream or new goal. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. My name is Gopal Krishna Srivastava. I belong to state Uttar Pradesh. I born at Allahabad and brought up at Pratapgarh, a district town neighboring to Allahabad. You know, in Uttar Pradesh, you will find most of the people have their name as the name of God or goddess. My parent gave me the name of Lord Krishna. You know why? Lord Krishna was the 8th son of his kid, and so am I. My parents keep on giving birth till they got a son. They thought when they become old, it is the son who will take care of them. An irony, I lost my father when I was in standard 8, and today my mother, who is still alive, staying at my native place, is being taken care by her 5 daughters, not by me. I did my schooling at Pratapgarh till standard 12 in a government school. After that, I completed my engineering with electronics and telecommunication and got my first job at Usha Martin in 1994. And that is how I came to the eastern zone of India. After that, in 1995, I got a job at Siemens Limited, handling the healthcare equipment like CT scan machine, MRI machine, etc. Till today, I am still in the Siemens Healthineers Private Limited. At Kolkata, I am staying since 2011 with my wife, Shweta Srivastava, who is housewife. I have 2 sons, elder one studying in standard 12, younger in standard 8. Both are studying in DPS Ruby Park. I'm at Kolkata since 2011. Before that, I was posted at Bihar and was working there for 15 years. That is all about my family background. Now, I would like to tell about myself. I am by nature a very shy person, very introvert person, but at the same time, fun loving too. Verbal communication is my biggest weakness. I'm scared of verbal communication to such extent that when I got a job, I decided that I will work in an area where I don't have to deal with people. And for that reason, continuously 18 years I was working in the service industry, where handling only the machine and technology. So I was totally scared of the verbal communication. I never thought to join the sales in my dream also. But you don't know what is there in your destiny. At the age of 40 plus, I got offer to join the sales team. I was totally confused. I came into dilemma what to do. Verbal communication is one of the major criteria to join the sales team or to get a good success. But for me, it is a weakness. And at this stage, I have to learn from the starting. People say that after a certain age, you cannot learn any new thing. Can I learn at the age of 40 plus? There is a lot of conflict. Then I started introspecting myself. What is my strength? I find that I am a very adaptive person, very flexible person, and a good learner too. At different stage of my life, I have learned a lot of things. I learned my four-wheeler driving at the age of 35 plus. Then after a lot of conflict, I decided to go ahead with this to join the sales team because I was not willing to lose this opportunity because of my weakness. I joined the sales team. I worked as a sales engineer for 5 years. I got a good success. Since 1 year, I have moved to the marketing team where my main KRA is the public speaking. I have to give presentation. I have to do debate with my competition. So a lot of public speaking is involved in my current role. I want to improve on my weakness. At this point of time, I came to know about Toastmaster Club. Surfing through net, I came in contact with Akash, and with his continuous follow-up, within a couple of weeks, I joined Elite Toastmaster Club in the month of June. And in a very short period of time, I find myself that I am on the right track. Now, whenever I am giving presentation in front of my customer, I find myself that I am much better than I used to be earlier. And I am very much sure also that within a short period, I will be a good public speaker too. At this point of time, with full conviction, I can say, for me, age is no bar for learning. As I believe, as long you are learning, you are young. The day you stop learning, you become old. What do you think, fellow Toastmasters? Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.